Today, I want to tell you something very important. It can help you change your life. It is simple but powerful. Focus on yourself, not others. Many times we look at other people. We see them on social media. We see them at school. We see them at work. And then we think, they are better than me. They are faster than me. They are smarter than me. They are happier than me. They have more than me. But stop. Do not waste your energy thinking about others. Do not compare your life to someone else's life, because you are special. Your journey is yours alone. You have your own time and your own story. Listen, the person next to you is not your competition. The person online is not your competition. Your only competition is the person you were yesterday. Ask yourself, are you becoming better than yesterday? That is the real question. Today, I want you to focus on you. Focus on your goals. Focus on your dreams. Focus on your heart. And focus on your future. Sometimes you will feel like you are behind. You will see people buying new cars, getting new jobs, traveling the world, or starting a family. And you may think, why not me? When is my time coming? But remember, everyone has a different time. Everyone has a different clock. Your time will come too. Life is not a race. You do not have to be faster than others. You only need to be better than the old version of yourself. Say to yourself, I will grow, step by step. I will go forward, even if it is slow. I will trust my path. Some days will be hard. You will feel tired. You will feel small. You will lose passion. You may say, maybe this dream is not for me. But no, if you stop now, you are letting fear win. You are focusing too much on others and forgetting how strong you are. There is power inside you. There are dreams inside your heart. You have something special inside you. Say, I will keep going. I will believe in myself. I will not stop because someone else is faster. I will not stop because someone else has more. I will not stop until I reach my goal. Now, I want you to stop for a moment. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what do I really want in life? What makes me happy? What is my dream? Do not think about what your friends want. Do not think about what other people say you should do. Focus on what you want. Then write it down. Put it on paper. When you write, you start to think clearly. When you think clearly, you dream bigger. And when you dream big, you build a picture in your mind. That picture is your vision. And people with a strong vision can change their lives and even change the world. How do you stay strong? How do you keep moving when life gets hard? It starts inside your mind. Your body may get tired, but your mind can stay strong. Your mind has no limits. Most people focus only on their bodies. They forget that success starts inside their heads. If you are not ready inside, you will not be ready outside. Close your eyes. Imagine your future. What will it look like if you say, I will not let fear stop me. I will not let other people's success stop me. I will focus on myself. I will follow my path. That future is possible. But you must start now. Even if you feel afraid, even if you feel behind, even if you feel alone, start now. Let me tell you a story about a young boy named David. David loved running races, but he was never the fastest. His friends always ran ahead of him, and every time he lost, he felt sad. One day, his coach told him, "David, stop looking at others when you run. Run your own race. Focus on your own steps." David listened. The next race, he did not watch the others. He focused only on his speed, his breath, and his path. And guess what? He won. The lesson? When you focus on others, you slow down. When you focus on yourself, you grow faster. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, even people who look perfect, even the most successful people. To win, you must first lose. To hit the winning shot, you must first miss many shots. It is okay to fall because every time you stand up again, you become stronger. The road to success is not easy. It is not smooth. It is full of problems and hard times. But that is normal. It is like a road under construction. Sometimes you must stop. Sometimes you must take a new road. But if you keep moving forward, you will reach your destination. The people who win are the people who never stop. They believe in themselves, even when others do not. Bad times will come, but often the bad times come right before something big happens. So don't stop now. Your big success might be very close. My life is proof. You can fall, you can make mistakes, but you can always stand up again. So today, choose you. Focus on you. Love yourself. Trust your journey. Believe in your dreams. And remember, focus on yourself, not others. So, my friend, focus on yourself today. And remember, your dream is waiting for you, not for anyone else, just you. If this helped you, please like this video, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe to this channel